Have you ever been in the process of trying to work on your car, maybe just to change your oil, or maybe you need to change some parts, the O2 sensor, or something along those lines, and you're just having a hard time getting all the way up under there? Well, here's a cheap and easy way to make some wooden car ramps. I first started by grabbing some 2x6 lumber from my scrap piles. The baseboard needs to be about 24 inches long to provide support and stability to the rest of the ramp. The second layer should be about 18 inches, and the top board about 12 inches. This should allow plenty of spacing for most car tires, but adjust sizing if needed. Now you could use some wood glue to put these together, but just remember this will be a permanent fix. I just like to screw them together so that way if I never need to adjust or replace the boards in the future, I can. So you want to set the first board on top, make sure it is flush in the back and flush on the sides, and then you want to put in a couple screws, but I also like to pre-drill so that I don't split the wood. Once the second level is on, you can put the third level on top. Again, make sure they're flush on the back and on the sides. Pre-drill the holes and install. Now you can stop right here. This is 3 layers high. This will get the car up a little bit higher for you. Or you can add something additional. I like to add an additional little stopper right here at the back so it is less likely for the wheel to roll off. Now another benefit to building this way is storage. You can stack them on top of each other and stick them on a shelf. Now let's go test these out. Now once you have your car up on the ramps, make sure to engage the emergency brake, and it's always a good idea to chock the opposite wheels so that you can always have a safe time and a little bit more roomy time while you're under the car.